Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Battlefield 6, an unknown error occurred with the error code 18508S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error in Battlefield 6. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your control panel. You're going to go into Windows Security. You're going to go into App and Browser Control. You're going to go into Exploit Protection Settings. Go into Program Settings. Click Add Program to Customize. Select Choose Exact File Path. Select Battlefield 6. Click Open on here. And just turn everything on and make sure this is set to off. So just tick everything on and turn it off. Like I have here. I've turned everything off and then click Apply. And then you're going to go into it again. Click Choose Exact File Path. Now go into EA Anti-Cheat and do the same thing. So just take everything on and turn it off. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your NVIDIA control panel by right clicking on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel, and then you're going to go into help and then just make sure debug mode is turned on. And after you've turned on debug mode on your NVIDIA card, I'm going to show you how to do it on AMD. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into AMD software, go into performance, tuning, make sure this is set to default. And after that, you're just going to go ahead, play your game, and you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.